All right, I'm gonna make a short video about how to apply this pike pass onto my windshield here. Just for some context, it says you're supposed to put it 4 inches down and 2 inches to the right. I guess that's the proper reading. So that's what we're gonna do. First, we gotta clean it though. Make sure it's got all that gunk off. Now I gotta dry it because I don't want all that to be a waste of time. Sorry, this necklace is in the way. Here's my pike pass. That way you can see, this is the part you're supposed to peel off and stick to your window, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, getting it on there pretty good. As you see, 4 and 2. I'm hoping that's right. So let's go look on the other side and see what it looks like. There we go. That's what it will look like on the other side. I'm going to go in there and press it on the back a little more and get some of the air pockets out. And that's basically it. Just simple and easy.